We are working on the Green Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal, and today we are working on 1.4 prime factorization. Prime factorization is just essentially breaking down the number into its primes. For instance, for number 7, we've got 9. What goes into 9? What multiplied gets you to 9? 3 times 3. So the prime factorization of 9 would simply be 3 times 3. Keeping in mind, we don't use 1 and we don't use the number itself. So you don't want to put down 9 to the 9 times 1. You just want to do what two numbers multiply to get you to 9. So the prime factorization of 9 would be 3 times 3. 24, you can do it a bunch of different ways. One of the ways you could do it would be 2 times 12. And then we just want to keep going until we have prime numbers. 12 would be 2 times 6. And 6 would be 2 times 3. So the prime factorization of 24, now you could actually recopy this. You could say it using exponents. It could be 2 to the 3rd power times 3. That would be the prime factorization of 24. 2 is prime, and 3 is prime. So we have 3 2's and 1 3. The prime factorization of 40, remember, anything that ends in a 0 is going to have 10 goes into it. 4 would be 2 times 2, and 10 would be 2 times 5. And once again, we've got prime, prime, prime. So I'm just going to write that down, 2 to the 3rd power times 5. That would be the prime factorization of 40. Once again, prime factorization is breaking down the numbers into their prime numbers, breaking down numbers into their prime numbers.